Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Parijat Ram Tripathi, pediatric gastroenterologist at Ankora Hospital for Women and Children, Hyderabad. So, I will talk about a very interesting discussion that normally happens between me and the parents. Whenever I tell them that your child needs endoscopy, they get too much scared, okay? Or many of the time they have heard that child may need endoscopy and go, and they come with the setup of the mind that we don't want endoscopy, get anything else. So I will say that is not the right for the child, because many of the times endoscopy gives us a view and idea which no other investigation can help us in getting, like CT, MRI or anything. So endoscopies are sometimes very necessary. So the next question is it really safe? Is it painful for my child? So because many of the adults have the experience of endoscopy, they say that while having endoscopy, I have pain, I have this, I have that. I don't want my child to go through all those things. So what I will tell that most of the times, even if parents are not insisting that don't do or something like that, most of the times we do endoscopies under anesthesia. The type of anesthesia we decide, but child usually does not feel any pain or anything. Child goes into the endoscopy room, gets the procedure done. Maybe child will come sleeping on his bed, he will come out in the room, and later when child wakes up he or she will not know that what has happened. So just forget about the fear or the pain in the child. Okay, then comes, okay, no fear in the child, no pain in the child, that is fine. But are there any complications which can be there due to endoscopic procedures? So most of the times, no. Most of the times endoscopies or colonoscopies are done uh, for a diagnostic purpose, for taking biopsies. So mostly they are totally safe. Sometimes there can be some complications related, which are related to the specific procedures that we do during the endoscopy. Those are rare procedures, and if they are there, you will always be explained about those complications that can happen with the endoscopy. So you should not worry too much about the endoscopy. If your doctor is saying that it can help in the diagnosis and treatment, rather than delaying all the process of finding the disease and treating it and getting your child out of the problem, it is better to get the endoscopy if indicated. Thank you.